Ever wondered how to make authentic ethnic dishes at home? Well, the answer is right here in the next 10 minutes. This is a journey through 5 different cuisines and their most famous dishes. Let's embark on a culinary adventure to Italy, our first stop. Here we find the classic pasta carbonara. Start by cooking spaghetti as per the instructions on the packet. While that's happening, grab a skillet and sauté diced pancetta until it crisps up. Add some minced garlic for an extra kick. In a bowl, whisk together eggs, grated pecorino romano cheese, and black pepper. Drain the pasta, toss it with the pancetta, and swiftly stir in the egg mixture. The heat will cook the eggs slightly, creating a creamy sauce. Serve it up straight away for the best experience. Next, we're heading to Japan for a lesson in making sushi rolls. Cook sushi rice as per the package instructions and allow it to cool. Lay a sheet of nori on a bamboo rolling mat, spread the rice evenly on the nori, and add your preferred fillings. Traditional choices include cucumber, avocado, and cooked shrimp or fish. Roll it tightly using the mat, then slice the roll into bite-sized pieces. Serve with soy sauce, pickled ginger, and wasabi for a true Japanese experience. Our journey takes us to Mexico next, where we delve into making chicken fajitas. Slice a chicken breast into strips and sauté these in a skillet with bell peppers and onions. Season it all with fajita seasoning or a mix of chili powder, cumin, and paprika. Fill warm tortillas with the cooked chicken and veggies and top it off with guacamole, salsa, sour cream, and shredded cheese. From Mexico, we travel to India for a taste of chicken tikka masala. Marinate the chicken in yogurt and spices including garam masala, turmeric, cumin, coriander, and ginger garlic paste. Grill or pan-sear the chicken until it's cooked through. Then simmer the cooked chicken in a rich tomato-based sauce flavored with cream, more spices, and sometimes fenugreek leaves. Serve this savory dish over rice or with naan bread. Our final stop is China, where we learn to make beef and broccoli stir-fry. Thinly slice beef and marinate it in soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and a touch of cornstarch. Quickly stir-fry the beef in a hot skillet, then remove it. Stir-fry broccoli florets and sliced garlic in the same skillet, add the beef back in, and toss everything with a sauce made of soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a bit of sugar. Remember, these are simplified instructions. Traditional recipes may have more intricate steps and specific regional variations. Refer to detailed recipes for precise measurements and cooking techniques to achieve authentic flavors. In this journey, we've explored pasta carbonara from Italy, sushi rolls from Japan, chicken fajitas from Mexico, chicken tikka masala from India, and beef and broccoli stir-fry from China. Each dish is a classic representation of its country's culinary tradition. Enjoy exploring these diverse and flavorful dishes from around the world, and don't hesitate to bring a taste of the world to your own kitchen. Happy cooking!